First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To master advanced Veo AI techniques, start by becoming comfortable with detailed prompting and basic video generation. The key is to control the important elements of each scene instead of trying to describe everything at once. Begin by defining the subject, environment, action, camera movement, lighting, mood, and visual style. Use clear prompts that separate these elements so Veo AI can better understand the scene you want to create. Next, learn to control camera movements. Experiment with techniques such as slow push-ins, tracking shots, pans, tilts, orbit shots, and controlled zooms. Choose the movement based on the story, rather than adding camera motion just for visual effect. Character consistency is another important advanced technique. Use consistent character descriptions and reference images when supported by your current workflow. Keep important details such as clothing, hairstyle, facial features, and overall appearance consistent across scenes. You should also maintain scene consistency. Reuse important environment, lighting, color, and visual style details when returning to the same location. Next, experiment with multiple camera shots. Create wide shots to establish the environment, medium shots for actions, and close-ups for emotions or important details. You can then combine these clips in a video editor to create a more professional sequence. For advanced projects, explore image-to-video generation, video extension, multimodal inputs, and other capabilities available in your current Veo AI workflow. Prompt optimization is also essential. Generate a scene, review the result, identify the specific problem, modify the relevant part of the prompt, and generate again. Avoid changing everything at once because it becomes difficult to determine what improved the result. You should also learn basic post-production. Use a video editor to combine clips, adjust timing, add sound effects, music, narration, captions, and transitions. Finally, review every scene for flickering, distortions, inconsistent characters, unnatural movement, and continuity issues before exporting. The more you practice controlling prompts, camera movement, consistency, and editing, the more predictable and professional your Veo AI videos can become. And that's how you can master advanced Veo AI